它从这个 LED 反射出来，然后它这里有一个盖，把那个上部的光线就把它盖掉了。
So you're using a reflector and then you're blocking the light out.
Yes, from top.
Okay. Like a sampler. And then I will go out and see if I can drum up people that want them. In here, and it's they've made a lot of improvements. They have a good manufacturing system. It's all tracked. It's well done. We would love to see it get resolved, and then we can move forward with business. So if it's cooperating to make a better product, to make it serve the customer with more features that either make things more safe or more efficient, that's what we're supposed to do.
只是中美之间这种贸易互补性很强，这种互补性，你不是说一刀切就能切掉。
Hiring, you know, but we made it earn. Yeah, it was fabulous.
实际上呢，就是说我们出海呢，更需要我们这个同舟共济，我们共同乘风破浪，砥砺前行。
So coming to Foshan to watch the boat races here reminds me of a great winning spirit, team spirit, good effort, hard work, much like we have a win-win relationship with our partner here.